ask you to look at these two questions for a very important reason. Two important reasons, in fact. Let's ask question. In this question, question 9, what are the two topics involved?
Average and algebra.
Average and algebra. Very obvious, this is the term average. Now let's move on to 11 to go into the next question. The answer is already given here. It says the solid average height of girls A, B, and C is F centimeter. And this is 100 centimeters tall, Bernice and Kathy the same height. When you look at the models here, you realize the models are not the usual horizontal models. They are vertical. Why do you think so? Because it's high. That is good answer. Thumbs up to Maria. So, looking at this representation, who was assumed to be shortest? Alice is shortest. And what was her height? 100 centimeters. Okay. What do these arrows, what do you think these arrows mean? No, sure. Pass it on to someone to answer. What do you think these arrows here mean? Add to the Alice. Okay, that's a good answer. You think maybe you add to Alice. Let's ask Akhilesh. Do you agree with Salma? Huh? Yeah. You agree it's adding to Alice. Why do you think there's a need to add to Alice? Sorry? She's shorter, right? When after you add Alice shortest. That's the same. So, Ryan, you want to say something? Yeah, so you see, the last year when we learned average, I shared with you one method to find average. What is this method? Do you remember what this idea was? No? How to get an average? This, we use average, so that most of us remember the triangle. So the triangle shows what's at the top. What is at the top? What is the equation for finding average? Total divided by number of data. So average is equal to total divided by the number of data. So last year I shared this idea about finding average. Looking at this, Akhilesh and Salman says it's giving a bit of Bernice and giving a bit of Kathy away to give Alice, such that they all become the same. This last year I shared with you is share out the difference. Does you bring a bear in your head? Share the difference. I said cut the tail, cut the extra, then distribute it out. Does you remember that? So this is share out the difference, so they become equal. They end up being equal. Now, do you think Bernice and Kathy give away the same amount? Yes. Why? Like an answer please. Do you think Kathy and Bernice give away the same amount?
Yes.
Yes. Why? But why can't Bernice give more and Kathy give less? It won't be equal. That is interesting the most important thing because it says here Bernice and Kathy is the same. If they give different amount, the amount of them is going to be different. Right? So they got to be the same. Okay, so that's one thing you to make sense of the question. Remind you of average and look at the make sense of the diagram that is being drawn. Now, let's look at the steps that is written here. Does the steps make sense to you? Total out of the 3 rows is 3 times n. Does it make sense? What is 3? Number of data. What is n? The average. So, the next step, total height of Bernice and Kathy is 3n minus 10. Does it make sense? What is 3n minus 10? I minus away 100. What is 3n minus 10? Minus 100. 3n minus 100. Who am I taking away? Ellie is very good. So I'm taking away Ellie, so I'm left with just Bernice and Kathy. The last step is divided by 2 because Bernice and Kathy is the same. Up to this point, are we all cool? Yes. Then here comes the next one on the working set. The working set says, now that I found the Bernice height is expressed according to in terms of n. Here it says in terms of n. And this algebraic expression. It says here, if n is 140, how tall is Kathy? Does the step make sense to you? If n is 140, because Bernice and Kathy is the same, I put n in and use 300 times 140, then minus 100, then divide by 2 to get Kathy. Does it make sense to you? Yes. Is it difficult? No. Okay, good. What if I suggest something else to you? Do you think the answer will be the same if I didn't use this algebraic expression? Can I just ignore the first part and then do the second part? So I say, I have this already, right? Let's say I just ignore the algebra. I say if n is 140, so what is 140? Yeah, n is 140, so what does that mean? 140 is what? It's the average. So, if I ignore the algebra entirely, meaning I'm not so good at algebra, can I just ignore the algebra? Okay. So I got the average is what again? 140. Good. Okay, what's going to tell me? Now, if the average is 140, what's the total? Absolutely. If the average is 140, what's the total? Written here already, average is equal to total divided by number of data. So if I want to find the total, what do I do? I'm finding the total now. I'm given the average. The average is 140. How many children are there? 3. So how do I find the total? Divide by 3. I find the total by dividing by 3. Are you sure about that? Times 3. What do I times 3? Because there's 3 children. That means after I divide, all of them will be at 140 centimeters. The total will be, this whole bar is 140, this whole bar is 140, this whole bar is 140. Can you understand that? So I'll multiply, what should be the answer? Pass on the question, what's the answer? You're waiting for me to calculate for you. Pass on to Marianne. What's the answer? 400. Thank you, 420. You should be calculating at the same time. Marianne is also not putting her head to right. So if I 420, what will be Bernice and Kathy together without Alice? The total is 420 centimeters. If I take away Alice, how much is that? 420 minus 420 minus 100. 100. Why minus 100? because L is 200. Do you think in myself the rest? Okay, do I really need the algebra? Actually not really. Because ultimately you need to understand the question. So I'm asking you to learn to be flexible now. What if I can't solve part A? Look at the next question now. Question 8A. What if I can't solve this algebraic expression? I got so stressed and I forgot everything about algebra. Can I still try to solve B without the algebra? Look at it now. Imagine I put this in Q. What is Q? 78. Thank you, Captain. If you read the question again, James has 5 times as much money as me. They have a total of $78. Do you think the question is difficult or easy? Easy. Because the number is given now. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm asking you to be flexible. If you are stuck at part A, lost in an exam time, I'm sorry, I really got stuck. Marianne, this is very important because yesterday we asked a basic question about algebra and we were stuck. Of course, it is a must. We revise our algebra so well that we can answer the whole question. But what if you got stuck and suddenly you mind blank and you forgot about algebra? Then you can give up the whole question. Is that a good idea? Don't give up. It didn't say to leave any question blank. Then try. Can I tackle B on its own? Can. So I just ignore A and I just plug in the number. Q is 78. Can solve already? Actually can. So I can already see 6 units is $78. 1 unit 78 divided by 6. Is it difficult? Actually not at all. That's it, finished already. You understand what I'm saying? You realize it's the exact same as the algebra set. You understand what I'm saying? Okay? So this is why I asked you to look at these 2 questions. The first one, question 9, is because I really know that you cannot think that one chapter stands on its own. You still need to remember things you learn from primary 5 average. I'm glad that most of you remember this triangle. If you have forgotten, you have to revise. Okay? You cannot wait until June then you say I start revising P5 stuff. Already. Okay? Now, the next one I ask you to look at this is to tell yourself, be confident. Even if I'm stuck and I've forgotten some things, don't give up easily. See how I can help myself in the next question. Is that okay? Can? The first 2 pages again is a computer here.